Snowflakes fall like disco lights, slipping on my shiny tights. Eggnog fills my sparkling cup. Let's get down to funk it up. Rolling down the Christmas tree. Feel that rhythm wild and free. Jingle bells, we move in style. Yeah.
What do you want for Christmas? I was gonna think you look some violins. Look, she is warm like a certain violin. It's pretty ocean.
Good morning, Selma. Hi, it's Genesis Valdez.
And I'm Carson Maldonado. Today is Friday, December 12th, and this is our final episode of the semester.
Here are your morning announcements.
Do you know Selma High School's core 4? Work ethic, integrity, perseverance, and accountability. Learn the 4 now and walk the walk of our 4 each day.
Lunch today is breaded chicken drumstick with mashed potatoes and a gravy with a roll.
Now let's turn things over to Selma Bear Connection, brought to you by Ray Madrigal.
My name is Victor Rosas, and I am the folklorico Mexican dance instructor here at Selma High School and at Abraham Lincoln Middle School. Our traditional outfits are important because they tie us to the past, yet we refresh them and keep them a little bit more up to date with the textiles that we currently use. This is important for us because it still ties us to our past, but it maintains the current culture that we have in Mexico. Each dance in our repertoire has a meaning. It all comes from a place, a creation place. So the way that our choreographies are built is maestro will go to a town. They'll look at their main festivity that they have. They will notice what the people do, their agriculture, their social, economic influences, and they'll create a song. My advice for students who wish to pursue dance as a career or after high school is to be passionate about it. It is a new journey here in California. We do have a new credential program, but also take other forms of dance. The more that you expose yourself to different forms of dance, the more that you're gonna see how they all intertwine and how they all help build up one on another. Ballet is super important in all forms of dance, whether it's folklorico up to hip hop. You really learn how to incorporate your body versus just taking one style of dance and you only master one. Better to become a jack of all trades with dance.
Write that down, write that down!
Huh? My back!
Hey man, you gotta be careful next time. While you're having trouble doing math, there's a better way to study. And I got you the solution.
This week's SHS Staff of the Week is Mr. Lee, a counselor here at Selma High. Mr. Lee was nominated by Marisol Ramirez Reyes.
Marisol says, because he held me at the start of the school year, and I thank him from the bottom of my heart for helping me that day. Above all, I want him to know that he's a great counselor and he shouldn't change his attitude.
If you see Mr. Lee on campus, be sure to congratulate him. If you'd like to nominate an SHS Staff of the Week, use the link in the digital bulletin.
This week's Athlete of the Week is Mia Prineta of Varsity Girls Soccer. Mia was nominated by Coach Luis. Coach Luis says Mia has been our most consistent player thus far. She is a great defender and attacks well from the back. She has been very solid for us in the first 6 games. Congratulations to Mia of Varsity Soccer.
Now let's turn it over to Selma Bear Spotlight, brought to you by Max Fierro.
Hi, my name is Jimena, and my business name is Jimena Nailed It with an underscore. I've been doing nails since 5th grade, but I quit doing them, and then I picked up on it again last year. What inspired me to do nails was I was always a girly girl, so I really liked getting my nails done. I started getting my nails done at a very young age, so that inspired me to start my nail business. My favorite part about doing nails is meeting new people and having a good connection with them while me doing their nails, getting to know them, and just having a really great time. How people can book an appointment is by going to my Instagram page, checking my availability, and sending me a message on the day you'd like to book. Thank you for having me on SBNN.
Selma High teachers and staff are on the lookout for students demonstrating Selma High School's Core 4. If they catch you, you earn a bear bug.
Save up those bear bucks and visit the SHS student store every other Friday to redeem them for snacks, frozen fruits, SHS merchandise, and more.
The store will be open today during lunch, so look for it outside of room 1005.
If you have not yet purchased a yearbook, you still have a chance. Yearbooks are on sale for $90 now. Until the end of the semester, after December 31st, yearbooks prices go up to $95. Now is the time to buy one before the prices increase.
Yearbooks can be purchased online at yearbookordercenter.com, on campus with Miss Luviano in 2307, or with Miss Rio in the finance office. Deposits of $40 are also accepted to reserve a copy of the book. Email Miss Luviano if you have any questions.
The ASB Kindness Committee is back with another Make and Take opportunity. Come and paint your own personalized orbit on December 16th at lunch. Our materials will be provided.
Now let's turn it over to Campus Voice, brought to you by Brody Hagan.
Oh, what's up, Selma High? Today we're going to be asking students what they want for Christmas this year. Let's get it. All right, I'm here with...
Razia.
Carla, Mia, Dulce.
What do you want for Christmas this year?
Probably a new pair of cleats.
A cat.
A cat? What?
Christmas.
What do I want? I just want to be happy, honestly.
A new phone. A new phone. Girl, what are you talking?
You guys both want a new phone?
Yeah, you want to see?
Let me see it. Come here. Zoom in on the phone. And... All right, I'm here with my boy Nico. What do you want for Christmas this year?
I want my ball back. And I want meta glasses.
Shout out his ball and shout out those meta glasses. Hopefully he gets them. Juvencio, what do you want for Christmas this year?
I think I want a PC, a new PC.
All right, I'm here with...
Andrew.
Sophia.
What do you guys want for Christmas this year?
Probably I don't know, some new clothes probably.
Some new clothes? What do you want?
More Lululemon.
More Lululemon? You guys don't want each other? I threw the lob right there. The lob was right there.
Yeah. I want her for Christmas.
Aw, that's cute. All right, I'm here with...
Christian Reyes.
What do you want for Christmas this year, Christian?
To be honest, I would really like able to gain whole new skills, time management, learn a new language, or even and try to be more resourceful.
I'm Anthony Sanchez here, and I'm studying for my finals, and I'm here to remind you that finals week is next week. So to help you prepare, let's go through some do's and don'ts to help you feel your best during your finals. And as you can see, practicing good habits bring good results.
You are cordially invited to the Snowball tomorrow, December 13th from 7 to 10 p.m. in the SHS Dining Hall.
Today is the last day to purchase tickets. Students must be academically eligible as of the October 31st grading period, not on the non-privileged list, and have no student debt to purchase a ticket.
Now let's turn it over to Byron Bell, where Alonzo Vasquez is handing out eggnog to students for the very first time. Let's see how they handle this holiday classic.
What's up, Selma High? It's your host, Alonso Vasquez, back with episode 3 of Biter Bell. Today's episode, we're going to be having eggnog.
Snowflakes fall like disco lights, slipping on my shiny ties.
And today, I'm here with
Michael, Andrew,
Carson Maldonado,
Sebastian Hernandez,
Natalie Bonilla.
and
Fabian.
well, here. I'm gonna let you guys, take in the smell of it, see what you guys think before you try it.
Eggnog fills my sparkling cup. Let's get down to funk it up.
That's an interesting smell.
Smell like expired eggs.
I saw it smell once, not gonna lie.
I'm glad you guys are gonna try it for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead, both of you at the same time.
Feel that rhythm wild and free. Jingle bells, we move.
All right, first impressions, how is it?
Low-key, it's not that bad.
It's not that bad?
I would say it's like a creamy
Like
type of ice cream taste, I would say.
Really?
Yeah.
Like,
you need a third taste?
You can taste the spice.
The
Like
spice?
Not the spice,
The cinnamon?
the cinnamon, yeah.
Yeah?
You can taste the cinnamon.
We had different opinions. We had different takes on smell, taste. But what kind of host would I be if I haven't tried it? If I don't try it? And I know you people care about my opinion the most. So that's what we're gonna do.
Knitting hands and toes all tap. Rocking under Santa's cap. Snowman shimmy in the yard. Funk it up and groove it hard.
And we're back. Wait, where's Carson?
Man, that was pretty good.
Where were you?
Oh, I was just over there trying eggnog with Alonso. Have you ever tried it?
No, was it good?
I mean, I thought it was pretty good, but then again, his opinion matters most, and he thought it was all right. But I would definitely suggest trying it. If you want to go see the full video, go check it out on YouTube. So here's a rundown of today's events, Bears.
Our varsity girls basketball team will be heading to the Strathmore tournament today.
Players will be released at 2:45 p.m. and the bus will depart at 3:30.
Varsity boys basketball will be traveling to the Dinuba tournament. Your bus leaves at 4 p.m.
Good luck to our varsity boys soccer team as they compete in the Lindsay tournament today.
JV boys soccer players going to the McLean tournament.
You'll be released at 9:15 a.m. and your bus departs at 9:30 a.m.
Students in the medical occupations attending the Fresno State Healthcare Open House, buses depart at 8 a.m. and you will return at 4:30 p.m.
Good luck to all of our Bears competing today.
Now let's get in the zone with the one and only
Genesis Valdez. What's up, Selma High School? I'm Carson Maldonado, and I'm here in the zone with
Genesis Valdez, and I'm a junior.
Chloe Furlong, and I'm a sophomore.
What sport do you guys play, and how long have you been playing it?
We do girls varsity wrestling, and I've been playing it for almost 4.5 years.
I've been wrestling for about 4 years now.
Okay, so what are you guys looking forward to most this season?
I'm looking forward to eating after the tournament.
I'm looking forward to making closer bonds with all the girls on the team.
Okay, so what is one of your guys' goals for this upcoming season?
My goal for this season is to make it to state.
My goal for this season is to place at state.
Okay, so just a quick question. How do you guys stay motivated throughout the season?
I stay motivated by taking everything as a blessing and being grateful for being on the mat and having my coaches beside me at all times.
I stay motivated by working hard in the room so my results will show on the mat.
All right, thank you for being in the zone, and I wish you guys both a great season.
Thank you.
That's all for today's events. Go out there and represent our school with some pride.
Don't miss our weekly bulletin. Find us on YouTube at Selma High Video Productions.
We're also on TikTok at WeAreSBNN, so make sure to give us a follow.
And check us out on Instagram at SHS Bear Claw Pro.
Thank you for watching Selma High. Have a safe weekend.
Bear Nation is back! Reindeer prancing to the beat, spreading joy with funky feet. Ribbons twirl like vinyl spin. Holiday groove, let it all in. Reindeer prancing to the beat, spreading joy with funky feet. Ribbons twirl like vinyl spin. Holiday groove, let it all in.